Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel private and stay hidden. First, go to youtube.com and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your YouTube Studio page. On the left side of the screen, click on Settings. A settings window will pop up. In this window, click on Channel and then click on Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Remove YouTube Content. Click on that and it will open a new tab asking you to sign into your Google account again. Go ahead and sign in. After you sign in, you'll see two options. The first option says, I want to hide my channel, and the second option says, I want to permanently delete my channel. You'll want to choose the first option. I want to hide my channel. Once you select that, a new window will open. Here, you'll be hiding all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions to other channels, and the number of subscribers to your channel. All this information will be hidden. However, your comments and replies on YouTube videos will be permanently deleted, and your data on other Google properties won't be removed. If you also want to delete your comments made on other YouTube videos, make sure to check the appropriate box. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Hide My Channel to confirm. That will make your YouTube channel private. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now private and all your activity will stay hidden. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.